Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to use Chrome Flex for hidden features. So let's get started. So first of all you have to open your Chrome browser, then select your profile, then you have to type, which I'm giving you this code. You have to type flex.chrome semicolon flex. As you can see in the top here, you have to type this in the URL section, then go to here. Now accessing Chrome Flex is super easy. After accessing, I will show you the secret menu where all the magic happens. Now how to enable smooth scrolling. So for enabling smooth scrolling, just search here smooth. As you can see, a smooth scrolling I have already enabled. Go and click on here enable, and it will be start working for your Chrome browser. Now click on it. Okay, now you can see how to enable it. Click on enable it. Now how to activate parallel downloading. To activate parallel downloading, search parallel. Now you can see here enable parallel downloading to accelerate download speed. It helps to enable the speed of downloads by splitting files into multiple parts, and after enabling it, just restart your Chrome for accessing it. Now how to save tab groups. For type here save tab groups. Now click on it, tab groups. Now it will enable saving and recalling of tab groups but enhanced. So go to here default and click on enable. Now your tab groups will be enabled. Now how to enable reader mode. Enable it to remove distraction while reading articles, and so type enable reading mode. Now go to here and it will enable the experimental read aloud feature in reading mode, and to enable it, click on it and just tap of enable, and it will be enabled. And that's it guys. Now you know how to unlock hidden Chrome features using Flex. Try them out and let me know in the comments. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.